Alright, Rise and Grind back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video we got a 2014 Chevy Equinox 2.4. I believe it's a LT. And we're going to be doing the starter on it. Got a brand new gold starter from AutoZone. And that part number is DLG9719S. Alright, now the starter is located right up under here. Got our jack stands. And right there. See how bad rusted out that thing is, man. But we're gonna go ahead and get to it. Let's get it.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting.
Alright, we're gonna unhook our battery terminal. Alright, we got the 15mm bolt on the bottom of the starter. Break that free. Alright, so the other one we're gonna have to get up here and feel for it. Alright, we're gonna back up. Get this bracket right here. Get it off. It's definitely in the way. Alright, we got a right on there. I put a extension and a deep socket 15 on it. That's the top one. And that's what I used. Alright, you want to slide it out that way and get that in out. Drop it. And we're going to work on these bolts or the connectors. I already got that off. You just press that tab up. That'll come out. 2 power wires on there. Make sure you get both of them off. We in there. I went ahead and put the connectors on. Now we can go ahead and put that back inside the transmission. We can put our bolts in. Alright, that top bolt before we put it back in so that don't fall out. Put some paper or something in there. Keep it snug. Alright, so what I did was I put the bottom bolt in first and I finger tightened it, and then I went for the top and guided it in and tightened it down. Alright, that's it. That's it. You got an exhaust leak up under there. Check that out for it. With this one, the symptoms were when you stuck the key in the ignition and turned it forward, you got no sound, no clicking, no nothing from the starter, but the battery the power voltage was good. All the lights inside would work. You know, it had a good power for the battery. It just wouldn't turn over.